Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this is Josh from Tractor Chasers. This video comes to you from a kidney bean field located in central New York, where a Case IH 215 Magnum tractor and Bob Equipment Model 46 edible bean combine are harvesting the crop. I would like to share with you the process of harvesting kidney beans. I will also go over the production history and specifications of these machines. First, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear these harvesting machines in action. Before the Bob Bean Combine can harvest the kidney beans, they must be dug out of the ground and placed into a windrow. This farm is using a 110 horsepower Case IH MX110 tractor pulling a 6-row Pickett one-step windrower. The windrower uses a spinning bar to dig the plants out of the ground by their roots. They are then picked up by metal tines and placed onto conveyor belts. The belts deposit the plants into a windrow to be picked up by the Bob Bean Combine. The farm is using a 221 horsepower Case IH 215 Magnum tractor to pull the Bob Bean Combine. The Bob Bean Combine weighs in at 9,000 pounds. It's 13.5 feet tall, 9.5 feet wide, and 32 feet long. The Bob Bean Combine is capable of harvesting up to 6 acres of kidney beans per hour. The combine does not use augers to harvest the crop or to deliver the crop to the grain bin. This is to prevent damage like splitting and cracking in the beans. The machine uses a bucket elevator with nylon cups to load the beans into the 120 bushel hopper. This hopper tilts up and dumps into the waiting trucks to then be delivered back to the farm for the final processing. Bob Bean Combines were produced in Stanley, New York from the late 1970s through 2003. They continue to be used in places that grow edible beans because of their ability to harvest such a clean, damage-free crop. I hope you've enjoyed being out in the field with these machines harvesting kidney beans in central New York. If you harvest specialty crops on your farm, leave a comment about what crop you harvest and what equipment you use to harvest it with. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the Big Tractor Power YouTube channel, where there are over 2,000 farming videos. For more harvesting action, stick around to the end screen, where you will find a link to 2 more harvesting videos. Thank you for watching.